Alright.
You got a new bolt?
I don't know. Is it in the van?
Yeah, it's in the van.
This is definitely the old bolt. Where's the thread? There it is, all flattened out. It's getting caught. I'd rather just do it with a new one. It's best I can use. I need an extension. I'm deaf, but it's good. I can remove it. Well, let me check if it's good. Gotta check. It's definitely good quality ratchet. I mean, I haven't broken
You have to
it
tighten the... Oh, now that I have access to the drawers, the screw is loose, so you gotta tighten it.
yet. Well, I need a longer one of these than those. Triple this just to double check that it's tight. Come on, just use the cobalt.
The cobalt will probably break.
What do you mean?
The cobalt's
How will it
thinner.
break?
The cobalt's even thinner than the Pittsburgh. Use one of those,
But it's lows. It's lows.
I think I have a screwdriver type.
Half-inch John to T fucking.
Free ones. Steelman's.
Yeah, Steelman's trying to bust the freaking bolt in half.
The second drawer on the left should have a screwdriver type star bits.
Strawberry.
Screwdriver handle ones.
Strawberries. This isn't gonna put a lot of torque, but it's gonna at least check it. I'm gonna say it's tight. Can't move the washer, it feels flat. So that's done. So now, gonna have to move this guy back with the counterweight. Hopefully. Yeah. It's got no brakes, so here.